Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the TUF keyboard supports RGB and that Windows and BIOS are current. This avoids firmware conflicts. Next, install Armoury Crate and Aura Creator and run them as administrator so device drivers and services register correctly. Once done, plug in power and set the power plan to high performance to prevent lighting profiles from being paused. Make sure Armoury Crate shows your keyboard under Devices before moving on, because you can only change lighting when the app detects the keyboard. You now focus on building the look. Open Armoury Crate and go to the Device Lighting section. Choose an existing profile or create a new one so changes don't overwrite defaults. If you want per-key colors or complex animations, open Aura Creator, select the keyboard, paint keys, or draw regions, then pick effects and tweak speed and brightness. Once done, use layers to stack effects. This gives you finer control and preview in the app. Make sure to save the layer and assign the profile to a hardware slot so it persists. You finish by saving the profile to the keyboard's hardware slot and applying it. Then test immediately using FN shortcuts or the on-screen preview so you confirm persistence. Once satisfied, export a profile backup in Armoury Crate so you can restore quickly later and keep the app updated for new effects. If the keyboard lighting does not change, reinstall Armoury Crate, restart its services, and update the keyboard driver. This usually clears conflicts. If that fails, try a BIOS update or
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.